We're trolling. Yeah, trolling in the native kayak. Got the rod set up, rod holder on one side, butt cheek on the other side. We're gonna go see if we can catch 2 trout in 2 minutes. That's all you need, 2 minutes. That's what we're after. Didn't take too long. Little trout action. Come here, buddy. There it is. Bam. See ya. I swear it's not my fault. I'm out here, I'm making a movie. I set out to catch trout. Caught trout and was watching the graph as I was pedaling around and found a little pile. Those guys. It's not my fault, I swear. Trout fishing video turns into a quick bass video. So back to trout, we'll save the bass for another day. Seen it on the graph a few times. Haven't seen it yet. It's like a couple pounds. Bad little fish. Choked the mullets. That's the one. Kuma, inspired. I woke up today, I was inspired. I was gonna go trolling for trout. Pretty sure once I got out there, I realized I actually have trolling deficit disorder. So I'm in my kayak and I got the Lowrance graph and it's on. Maybe I should turn it off. But when the graph was on today and it lit up and it showed me all these bass sitting there, I had to stop, catch a bass. Sorry about that. If you were watching to see a bunch of trout, I caught one. Not a total failure, but it turned into a quick bass video. So quick video today. I was just out. Had to get the job done. Back, gonna organize the garage a little bit more, get the fishing gear ready. Spring's coming, pre-spawn, so excited. But today was a quick video of trolling for trout. It worked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're gonna do this one video every week, all year long. Tight lines, friends. Let's catch a bunch of fish.